With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Today our question is the foot of the perpendicular from 2, 4, minus 1 to the line x minus 6 upon 1, 2 minus y upon 2 and z minus 2 upon 2 is, so we have given a point and a line. Let's say this is your line, right? And we have to find out the foot of the perpendicular drawn from this point to this line, right? Let's say the point is here, right? So this is your P, 2, 4, minus 1 and the line equation is given to you. So now to find out the point where the perpendicular is fallen on the line, we can just find out some general point on the line, right? So general point on this line will be is equals to k, right? We can put the line's equation is equals to some constant to find out the general points. From here we will get x is equals to, comparing these two relations, right, will give us x is equals to k plus 6, then y is equals to 2k minus 2, and since it is minus y, so we will multiply by minus on both sides and we will get 2 minus 2k. Similarly z will be your 2k plus 2, so we will write 2k plus 2, right? So now we can say that any general point on this line Q will have coordinates as x, y and z. Now we know that if two lines are perpendicular, then the product of their the dot product of their direction ratios should be equal, right? So the dot product for direction ratios, first of all you will find out direction ratios for PQ, then for the line is, let's say the line is AB, right? So we will write here for L1 to be perpendicular to line 2, dot product of direction ratios should be 0. Dot product of direction ratios should be 0. And we can find out the direction ratios of the line PQ as PQ, right? Q point is k plus 6, 2 minus 2k and 2k plus 2, and P is 2, 4 minus 1. The direction ratios will be x2 minus x1. So x2 is your k plus 6 and x1 is 2. So we'll write here k plus 6 minus 2 for x-axis, then 2 minus 2k minus 4 for y-axis, and 2k plus 2, 2 minus 2k, 2k plus 2 minus 1, that means plus 1 for z-axis. This will give us k plus 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2 minus 2k, 2k plus 3, this is your PQ, right? And this is the line AB, right? So for line AB, our direction ratios will be, these are the direction ratios of line PQ. For AB, we have direction ratios as 1, 2 and 2, right? So we can directly write here 1, 2 and 2. So the dot product should be 0, right? Direction ratios are k plus 4, 2 minus 2k and 2k plus 3 and 1, 2, 2. So this is what k plus 4 I cap, k plus 4 I cap plus minus 2 minus 2k j cap plus 2k plus 3 k cap, right? This is what the representation of the direction ratio, the direction vector of line PQ. And for AB, it will be I cap plus 2j plus 2k cap. So now we will find out the dot product of these two direction vectors, and that will give us k plus 4 I cap into I cap will make it k plus 4 plus minus 2 minus 2k dot product with 2j will make it 2 plus 2k plus 3 into 2. This should be equals to 0 for these lines to be perpendicular. Now after simplifying, this equation will give us k plus 4 minus 2 into 2 is minus 4 minus 2k into 4 is minus 4k plus 2 into 2 is 4k plus 6 is equals to 0. These two terms will be cancelled out. We will left with k plus 6 is equals to 0. That means k will be equals to minus 6, right? So now put this k's value into the points for P, for Q, right? These are the points for Q. So k plus 6, k is what? Minus 6. So this will become minus 6 plus 6, that means 0. This will become 2 minus 2 into minus 6. Minus 2 into minus 6 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And z will become 6 into 2 is 12. Minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10. That means the foot of the perpendicular would have coordinates as 0, 14 and minus 10. Right? So that is what our final answer. 0, 14 and minus 10 is the foot of the perpendicular on this line from the point 2, 4, minus 1. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.